No. You don't have to do like that. Like, whatever. Oh, there you go. Alright, so we're on the 330. The 330 is technically shut down, but I was able to talk to Caltrans and CHP, and they let me come up after a lot of good talking. So we're probably right now about 3,000 feet up. This is what it looks like. Nobody's on the road up here. It's just Caltrans plowing, getting the roads ready for the traffic that will be coming up soon. I'm in four-wheel drive high. I have no chains on right now. I've got chains with me so I can chain up if I need to, but I only chain up if I have to.